Do you use the same graphics for Facebook parties? Let me show you an easy way to schedule posts using
So you'll
SendShare.
go to Manage Posts. If you have already used SendShare to do parties, you can find previous ones in history. I have a dedicated folder for Facebook parties, and you're going to click right over here, select all, and then click there again and do a batch post. So my favorite groups are here, so depending on where you're going to post it, you'll want to make sure that there is a heart next to, in my networks, make sure there is a heart next to it in order for it to appear right here. So say I wanted to put it into this group, and the party is on Friday the 20th, and say it starts at 6 p.m. Change that, and you can apply the interval for how often you want these to post. So say we want them to post every 10 minutes, hit apply interval, and that will post every 10 minutes here. My posts are already in order, and it'll show you what time it'll stop posting. The last one, oh, I scroll down, the last one will post at 9:40 p.m. So if you wanted to make these different times, say you wanted like this to be a pre-party post, and you wanted it to post 15 or 20 minutes before, we would just change this to 5:40 p.m. and this will now post 20 minutes before the party starts. And it will show you the difference. When you're done, you're going to hit schedule batch, and it will schedule all of those into your group. So that is one way. Another thing that I like to do, not just for Facebook parties, but you can create, so I have all these saved, and it's really easy to upload photos as well. If you just click here and go to upload photos, it'll open up a new box, and then you can select multiple photos at once to upload. But let's say I wanted to schedule all of these. I'll select all and then do a batch post. And say starting tomorrow, I want these to post in my group at 6 p.m. And I want one to post every day and apply intervals. So starting tomorrow, one of these will post every single day. So this is how I also schedule posts in my Facebook group. I normally do a post at like 10 a.m., one at 4 p.m., and then one at 8 p.m. every single day. And then other posts I just manually post. But SendShare will post up to 90 days in advance, where Facebook only allows you to do 30 days. So if you would like to see more tutorials on using SendShare, be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon.